Protein powder for women. Transform your fitness journey. By the end of the video, you will know about the incredible benefits of incorporating protein powder into your fitness routine. Protein powder isn't just for bodybuilders, it's a powerful tool that can help women achieve their fitness goals more effectively. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, which is crucial whether you're looking to tone up, build strength, or simply maintain a healthy lifestyle. Many women shy away from protein powder, fearing it will bulk them up. However, modern protein powders are designed to support lean muscle development without adding unwanted bulk. They provide a convenient way to increase protein intake, which is often challenging to achieve through whole foods alone. Especially for busy women juggling multiple responsibilities, your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. When choosing a protein powder, quality matters. Opt for reputable brands like Dymatize, ESO 100 and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey. These gluten-free, high-protein blends are specifically formulated to promote muscle growth and recovery. 1 second lesson. Maximize gains with Dymatize, ESO 100 and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey. Gluten-free, high-protein blends for muscle growth. Links in description. Elevate your fitness game. Let's continue our video's main topic. Protein powders come in various forms, including whey, casein, and plant-based options like pea or soy protein. Each type has its benefits, so it's essential to choose one that aligns with your dietary preferences and fitness goals. Whey protein, for example, is rapidly absorbed and ideal for post-workout recovery, while plant-based options are suitable for vegans or those with lactose intolerance. Incorporating protein powder into your daily routine can be as simple as mixing it into smoothies, oatmeal, or yogurt. This versatility makes it easier to meet your protein needs without sacrificing taste or convenience. Remember, protein powder is a supplement, not a substitute for whole foods. It should complement a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just starting your journey, protein powder can be a game changer. Embrace its benefits and watch how it transforms your fitness journey for the better.